Welcome to Arctic Barrier, the perfect wardrobe to keep you and your family stylish, protected and warm.
Arctic Barrier is an online active, fashion, technical accessories and apparel wearing store.
Arctic Barrier was born in 2022 by Jeff Su, with the support and extensive background knowledge of manufacturers and designers globally.
With over 30 years in the manufacturing business for apparel and accessories, Arctic Barrier was born to deliver practical, yet on-trend apparel and accessories for you and your loved ones.
Whether you're looking for the best hats for both warmth and style,
the warmest gloves for cold weather,
scarf and neck warmers for men, women and kids,
the best winter shoes to keep your feet warm.
From everyday essentials to casual hikes or treading the slopes,
Arctic Barrier has got you covered with the perfect wardrobe to keep you and your family stylish, protected and warm.
Shop now by visiting the official website at arcticbarrier.com. Get free shipping on order over $50, 10% off entire order, and 30% off daily special products.